Here.
Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take yours today, and who knows where it might lead you. Thank you for listening. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jason Vanessa for more inspiring stories and adventures. Let's embark on this journey together, embracing the thrill of adventure and discovering the beauty within ourselves. With each step taken, we grow stronger, wiser, and more connected to nature's wonders. Together, we can overcome obstacles, conquer fears, and create memories that will last us a lifetime. Join me as we explore the world around us with open hearts and curious spirits. For in the pursuit of adventure lies true freedom and endless possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Grab your gear, pack your bags, and get ready to experience the magic of adventure.